Hello viewers, welcome. Let's give solution to this problem on the board. Yes, ratios. The question said if the ratio of x is to y is equal to 3 is to 5 and the y is to z is equal to 4 is to 3. Find the ratio x is to y is to z. Very simple. Now we have two equations here, two ratios. We have this. The first one is x is to y, which is what? 3 is to 5. So we can call this one equation 1. We have the second one here, which is y is to z. We can call this one equation 2. Now, what you observe here, in equation 1, we have y here. And what's the value of y here is 5. So that means 3 is for what? X, and 5 is for what? For y. If you come here, we also have y. But the value of y here is what? 4. Instead of what? 5. The value of y here is 5. Why the value of y here is what? 4. So our intention is to make them to be the same before we can talk about the ratios. We have to make the value of y to be the same. How do we do that? First of all, we are going to use the value of y in the first one, the first equation, to multiply the second equation, and use the second equation to multiply the first equation. What do I mean by that? I watch. In equation 1 here, the value of y is what? 5. Y in equation 2, the value of y is what? 4. Now, I'm going to say 4 times equation 1. And this one, we have what? The value of y is what? 5. I will now say 5 times equation 2. Now, let's get started. Now, in the first one, we're going to use 4, which is the value of y here, to multiply everybody here. That means what we are going to have now is, now, 4 times 3 is what? 12. Is 2. 4 times 5 is what? 20. Now, coming down to the question 2 here, we are going to use what? 5 to multiply everybody here in question 2. So that means our y is to z is equal to, now 5 times 4 is what? 20. And 5 times 7 will give us what? 35. I have watched the equations now. What do you observe? What's the value of y here? The value of y here is what? 20. And the value of y here is also what? 20. Watch both of them. So it's the same now. Once they are the same, we can now talk about the ratio. Now, the question they ask us to find what? The ratio of what? X is to what? Y is to what? Z. Therefore, our answer will be x is to y is to z. Now, what's the value of x here? Watch here. What's the value of x? X is what? 12. It's 12 is to. Now, what's the value of y? The value of y is 20. Either this or this. 20 is to. Now, the value of z is what? 35. This is the correct answer to this problem on the board. Now let's go back to the options. Which of the options do you think is correct? Watch. Option B is correct. Thank you for watching.